my party, we're just getting started. A life is a dream or a nightmare scarring. Hand me a drink cause I think I'm going all in. Get me a shrink who can catch me when
AI. Nowadays we are hearing this word AI quite often. And believe me, it's pretty interesting. Hey everyone, and welcome back to VFXY once again in a brand new video. From quite a long time we are hearing a word called AI. What is this AI, right? Till now we have seen lots of still images generated from AI. It's some of them are chat based, some of them are information based. But last day I was surprised when one of my friends sent me this link and he said, just try it out. And believe me, after watching this, I am just blown away by the output. So without any delay, let's jump to see what I have witnessed. Okay, so here we are, a Wonder Studio by Wonder Dynamics, as you can see over here. And let's deep dive into what they are offering and what exactly will be the future of VFX, right? Once we'll go to their website, I will give link to the description. So once you'll open the website, you'll have this kind of interface, Wonder Studio, and it's totally website based or cloud based, right? So although they have a tab called Open App, might be they are working on app, but still this website is in beta mode. So you have to request access, and after that, if they are going to approve you, you have to log in, right? So this is what Wonder Dynamics or Wonder Studio is offering. So once you'll go down, it's browser based. As I mentioned, it's browser based. So you can work from anywhere, right? So if you want to work on this website or if you want to work on AI, you can work from anywhere in the world. Just you need an internet and a laptop or a system, right? So once you'll go over here, so they have their product demo. So let's watch product demo and then we'll discuss later. So let's play it.
They say all great stories start with a sense of wonder. And what if bringing those stories to life wasn't limited by our resources, but only by our imagination? Welcome to Wonder Studio, where making movies with CGI is as simple as selecting your actor and assigning a character. The system uses AI to track the actor's performance across cuts and automatically animates, lights, and composes the CG character directly into the scene. Whether it's one shot or a full sequence, Wonder Studio analyzes and captures everything from body motion, lighting, compositing,
amazing,
camera motion, and it even tracks the actor's facial performance.
What
All the
else
artist
you want?
needs is a camera. Filmmaking is a medium of creativity and collaboration between artists. There's no AI that can replace that. Wonder Studio was built to empower those artists while still keeping the existing 3D process in mind. Alongside the rendered results, Wonder Studio gives you the ability to export the individual layers you need to deliver your final visual effects shot. Whether it's lighting, camera, or animation, you can maintain full control and make detailed adjustments in 3D space.
Great.
From the paintbrush, to the typewriter, to the camera, tools have always been an extension of the artist, a means to help our voices be heard. With Wonder Studio, we hope the world hears yours.
So this was their product demo, and I must say it's pretty impressive. Few things I noticed that there are few glitches, like especially where I can see, in this particular shot, the girl is running. So you can see over here, there are few glitches, like clean plate is not done properly. You can see over here glitches. But keeping in mind that this is a AI generated thing, so you need to tweak those values, but this tool is doing a great job. In fact, clean plate. Also in this particular shot, we have some sort of glitches, like some warping is going on over here. But again, if we'll do few changes here and there, things will be pretty nice. So, wow, what should I say? Like, just by clicking few buttons, you are getting your clean plate, you are getting your character replaced by CG character, your lighting has been matched, your camera tracking has been matched. What else you want, right? My take is, again, it's a technology, right? It's nothing like what will happen to compositors, what will happen to cleanup artists. It's a technology, it's a tool, like Photoshop, like Nuke. It's a tool. So it's all up to us. We want to use it or no. Yes, AI is a bit controversial. Like, majority of us are against AI, but my take is it's just a tool. It's all up to us. We want to use it or not, right? If you'll go down, major part is this: you no need to work shot by shot. They are claiming if you want to work on sequence, just throw the sequence and AI will automatically do all necessary changes, right? And again, here are a few things, like we can work on body mockup. As you can see over here, the character is walking automatically. The body motion capture has been done, then lighting, compositing. So this is awesome. Like, some sort of it's generating the depth kind of map to do the grading and all, but it's all awesome. Can you see the lighting compositing, how lighting compositing has been done? Facial expression, keep it in mind, facial expression is pretty important. Can you see that? Facial expression is masked as well, right? So again, this is something different. Like, if you're going to throw some sort of sequence, what it's going to do, it's going to identify or track the characters, and based on that particular character, you can replace your CG element. You don't need to worry what's going to be which character is going to replace or which character is not going to replace. AI tool will do automatically. Once it's detected which character is which, then it's going to do. Then, important thing, hand mockup. Yes, they include hand mockup as well, so you can express yourself in a better way, right? It's a big thing. So you can replace your character with hand movement, with facial and whatnot. And then again, advanced retargeting. As you can see over here, this is something very great. You can match scaling, you can match face, eye to eye and whatnot. It's pretty what I can say, it's just a magic. It's kind of magic, right? So again, you are going to over here, and this is pretty important. You can export or you can use this data into Blender, Unreal and Maya. Can you believe that? They are providing cross platforms as well. Softwares like Blender, like Unreal, like Maya. This will be the game changer. Trust me, this will be the game changer, right? And again, this is pretty important. Like, you have your motion capture, you can export your data, individual elements. Like, you can export your motion capture, you can export character paths. Can you believe that? Like, AI will do everything, and if you want to do changes in later on in compositing softwares like After Effects and Nuke, you can export your character passes separately. You can export alpha masks as well to do few more things. Then you can export your clean plates as well. You can export your camera track as well. You can export your Blender file as well, in case if you want to do some changes in animation and positioning. So you can export your Blender file directly and you can tweak those things. And then if you want, you can export your final render as well, right? Oh my god, this is madness. This is totally madness. And again, advisory board, there are few interesting names like Joe Russo from Russo Brothers, then Steven Spielberg, then Gregory Tretner, and these guys are well known in this industry from, I think, from 15 to 20 years, right? And they are the co-founders and CEOs. So yes, advisory board and co-founders are well-known artists, well-known persons in our industry, right? So just amazing, just amazing. You can see over here dynamic lighting. If lighting is changing, automatically AI is going to detect it, and it's going to superimpose all those information on your CG characters. So that's awesome. And same way, we have dynamic camera, so you don't need to take care about camera motion or tracking. AI will do it automatically. So as you can see over here, before and after, how easily they have changed the motion, they have changed the character motion and what not. So my take is, it's just a tool. If you want to learn it, you can learn it. But at the same point, I am feeling that this is going to change everything in our industry. So you need to think differently. You need to adopt the changes and you need to act smartly. So what is your take on this? Don't forget to comment on comment section. I'll wait for your comments. And let's hope for the best for VFX industry. Don't forget to comment and don't forget to share your opinion towards this website, which is called Wonder Dynamic or Wonder Studio. And I'll see you soon.